Welcome back to the MN80 to Trailer Project Part 2. At the very beginning, you'll see the suspension that I'm going to install. I also used a nail lock to make sure the suspension is firmly secured. It may look simple, but here's the truth. If this fails, the entire trailer will collapse. That's why I started here first. Now let's move forward into the time-lapse. I know it looks fast and easy, but don't be fooled. Every cut, every adjustment, every single alignment is done carefully. Building a trailer is not just about putting pieces together, it's about turning weak materials into something strong and reliable. If you skip the details, the trailer breaks. That's the difference between success and failure. As the time-lapse continues, notice how every step has purpose. When I measure, when I cut, when I fit pieces together, it's not random. Every move adds durability to the trailer. This is the side of building most people don't see. They only notice the final product, but not the patience and focus that it takes to get there. At this moment, I'm tightening the screws directly into the chassis and the body. This step may look small, but it decides everything. Without these screws, the trailer will shake apart the first time it carries weight. With them, the build becomes solid, strong, and ready for the real test. It's a reminder, the little things you ignore are the same things that destroy the entire project. Even though you're watching in fast forward, imagine the real effort it takes holding parts in place, securing them, testing the fit again, making sure nothing moves out of line. It's not glamorous, but this is what separates a weak build from one that lasts. And here we are at the end of Part 2. This is the result. Suspension installed, body reinforced, and the trailer finally starting to take shape. What started as scattered pieces is now looking like a real trailer for the MN82. But remember, this is only the beginning. There are still more upgrades, reinforcements, and improvements coming in the next parts of the build. You haven't seen the real challenge yet? So here's the question for you. If this trailer had to carry a heavy load right now, would it survive or would it break apart under pressure? Think about it and comment your answer below. Your opinion might shape the direction of Part 3. This is how we build, step by step, detail by detail, until nothing is left to chance. Stay tuned for the next update in the MN8 to Trailer Project.